Hey guys, today I'll show you how to import your passwords from Bitwarden into Dashlane. First, open your Bitwarden web vault by going to vault.bitwarden.com. Log in, then go to Tools, then choose Export Vault. Select .csv as the export format, enter your master password, and download the file. This file contains all your logins, so make sure you keep it safe. Next, open Dashlane's web app. Go to My Account, Settings, then Import Data. From the import sources, choose Bitwarden. Click on Browse your computer files, find the Bitwarden CSV you exported earlier, and Dashlane will show you a preview of your data. When everything looks good, confirm the import, and your Bitwarden logins will appear in your Dashlane vault automatically. Finally, for security reasons, delete the exported CSV file from your device after importing. It's not encrypted and could expose your passwords if left on your computer. And that's how you import passwords from Bitwarden to Dashlane. Thanks for watching.